Listen up. What if you had the power to create stunning visuals, logos, graphics, and ads that demand attention, all in seconds? With Artistly, that's not just possible, it's effortless. This isn't just another design tool, it's light years ahead of the competition. Let's start with the unlimited AI text-to-image generator. Simply type in a prompt, and Artistly delivers professional quality visuals, logos, banners, ads, no manual editing, no hassle, fully automated with AI. Need to recreate an image or ad you love but make it your own? That's where Mirror Magic Image Redesigner shines. Upload an image, and Artistly generates a brand new version with perfect text, colors, and layouts, all fully unique and copyright protected. What about boring backgrounds? Replace background instantly in any image with the Instant Scene background editor. Transform a dull backdrop into a serene beach or vibrant cityscape with AI that handles lighting, shadows, and reflections seamlessly. Launching a product? Skip expensive photo shoots. With instant e-commerce mock-ups, place your designs on professional male and female models, t-shirts, mugs, or products with pinpoint accuracy. Fabric textures and wrinkles, handled automatically. Need to fix or expand an image into various different dimensions? The Smart Image Expander fills in missing details and enhances your visuals for a polished, professional look. Got text in an image to edit? Forget Photoshop. The automated AI text editor lets you replace text effortlessly. Perfect font, color, and style, all fully automated with AI. For even more control, AI in-painting technology allows you to replace objects, change clothing, or add props. Just highlight the items and edit all with a single keyword. It's creativity on demand. Stuck for ideas? The unlimited AI photo-to-prompt decoder turns any image into a detailed prompt, sparking fresh, unique designs. And for sharper visuals, the AI image upscaler enhances resolution up to 3x, giving your images a high-definition makeover. Don't want to fuss over prompts? The automatic AI prompt enhancer takes your keyword and builds the perfect prompt for you. No frustration, just results. Working on characters or branding? The consistent character feature keeps your designs cohesive and constant across every visual. And with Custom Face Switcher, you can literally put yourself or your clients into the picture. From creating logos with the AI Logo Maker to finding inspiration in the community design feed, Artistly is packed with tools designed to fuel your creativity and streamline your workflow. This isn't just software, it's your creative superpower. So why wait? Start creating unlimited logos, designs, ads, and graphics with the push of a button.